want to show you the difference between the two breads. So this one is the Jewish rye bread. See all the little rye seeds in here and the little crusties on top. This one's my favorite just because it adds a lot of flavor. When you combine the flavors that your corned beef has been cooking in, the little seed packet that I showed you, look at that because that has a lot of pickling kind of flavors in your corned beef. This one is Russian rye. Does not have, it's got the seeds, but it's just not quite, to me, as flavorful. Still very good, but my favorite is the Jewish rye bread. So, personal preference. So those of you, when you're picking out your rye bread, pick out the one that's gonna fit you. Like I always tell you, make it fit your taste buds. My taste buds are different than yours.